Do you struggle to stay motivated for your workouts? If so, you're definitely not alone. It's a common challenge, this ebb and flow of motivation. It's vital to recognize that motivation plays a key role in reaching our fitness goals. Without it, the journey to health and wellness can become an uphill battle. But don't fret. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies that can help you keep your workout motivation high. So, let's get started, shall we? Before we delve into the strategies, it's crucial to understand what motivation really is. At its core, motivation is the driving force that compels us to act. It's the spark that ignites our desire to push through, to keep going, and to reach our fitness goals. It's that inner voice that whispers, yes, you can do this. But let's be honest, motivation isn't always high. It can fluctuate, much like the tides of an ocean, and that's perfectly normal. Some days you'll feel invincible, ready to conquer any workout that comes your way. Other days, it might be a struggle to even lace up your sneakers. But remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about persistence. Motivation is not a constant, but rather a variable that can be influenced and controlled. It's a tool that, when wielded correctly, can lead us to exceptional results. Now that we understand the role of motivation, let's explore some effective ways to boost it. So how do you stay motivated for your workouts? There are several strategies you can employ. First, setting realistic goals is crucial. Rather than aiming for an overnight transformation, focus on gradual progress. Set weekly or monthly goals that are achievable, yet challenging. This can be anything from increasing your running distance by a mile, adding a few more reps to your weightlifting routine, or improving your yoga flexibility. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Second, finding a workout buddy can do wonders for your motivation. Having someone by your side who shares your fitness goals can make the journey more enjoyable. You'll have someone to celebrate your small victories with, and someone to push you on those days when you feel like giving up. Plus, a little friendly competition never hurt anyone. Thirdly, make your workouts fun. If you dread your workouts, it's going to be hard to stay motivated. Experiment with different types of exercise until you find something you genuinely enjoy. Maybe it's a high-energy Zumba class, a peaceful sunrise yoga session, or a challenging CrossFit workout. The key is to find an activity that you look forward to, not one that feels like a chore. Finally, celebrate your small victories. Did you manage to jog an extra 5 minutes today? Did you lift heavier weights? Or maybe, did you finally nail that tricky yoga pose? Pat yourself on the back. Each small achievement is a step closer to your overall fitness goal. It's these little wins that keep the flame of motivation burning bright. Remember, these strategies are not about quick fixes or magic solutions. They're about creating a sustainable routine that keeps you engaged and motivated over a long period. So, don't be too hard on yourself. Progress may be slow, but as long as you're moving forward, you're on the right track. These strategies are not only practical, but also adaptable to different individuals' needs and preferences. Staying motivated for your workouts may not always be easy, but it's certainly possible with the right approach. Let's revisit what we've covered today. We began by acknowledging the significance of workout motivation and how it acts as the driving force behind our fitness journey. We learned that motivation isn't just a switch that you can flip on or off. It's a complex process, influenced by both internal and external factors. Next, we dive deep into the intricacies of understanding motivation. We explored how our individual needs, desires, and goals often shape our motivation, and how a lack of motivation isn't necessarily a sign of laziness, but rather it might be a signal that we need to reassess our goals or approach. In the third part, we rolled up our sleeves and discussed some practical tips to boost our motivation. We learned about the importance of setting realistic goals, finding a workout routine that you enjoy, maintaining a positive mindset, and celebrating small victories. These strategies are not one size fits all, so feel free to experiment and see which ones resonate with you the most. Now, as we wrap up, remember that staying motivated is a continuous process. There will be days when you feel on top of the world, and there will be days when you struggle. That's okay, it's all part of the journey. Remember, your journey to fitness is unique to you. Find what keeps you motivated and stick to it. You got this.